In iiQWorks.Sim you can configure the Fieldbus, which depends on your setup and controller. If your controller has an external input-output board, EIOB, physically inserted, you also need to configure it in iiQWorks.Sim. If you open an instance from the controller, it might be already configured. In iiQWorks.Sim go to the Devices tab. Now expand the tree under the cell to see the current controller. Open the Fieldbus section and you will find the KUKA System Bus, where the EIOB is usually located. It is missing in this case, so we will add one. Right-click on the KUKA System Bus. Then select Add. A new window will open where you can search for EIOB. The system will navigate you to the EIOB. Select it and click on Add in the bottom right corner of the window. Then close the window. Now we have the EIOB as part of the KUKA System Bus. On the right side, some properties are shown, where you could change the name or the EtherCAT address.
Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe the KUKA channel for more content. For practical training and workshops, visit the KUKA College. Stay tuned for more tutorials and insights.
Making automation easier.